I'm back. Sorry, OneNote crashed on me for some reason. I think maybe the video got too big or something. So, I was up to differentiating this one using the product rule. So, this was sine. And then we've got cos half x. Derivative is minus a half sine a half x. Inside plus outside. And so the derivative is minus 10 sine 2x cos a half x minus 5 over 2 cos 2x sine x over 2. And you could potentially do something with that, but to be honest, you don't need to, and it's going to be too messy. And now we've got the quotient rule. I have to create some kind of mechanism by which I can work out who I'm up to. So sine x, the derivative is cos x, the derivative of 1, inside minus outside. And so the derivative is x cos x minus sine x all over x squared. And for this one, cos 2x, the derivative is minus 2 sine 2x. And then cos 5x minus 5 sine 5x, inside, outside. So the derivative is, and I'm just going to be careful with my minus signs and with my fraction line here. So specifically, I'll just have to make sure that my fraction line covers this minus sign here. So this becomes minus minus, so plus 5 cos 2x sine 5x all over the bottom squared. The bottom was the cos one, so it's cos squared 5x. Again, you could try and simplify that if you wanted to, but there's really not much you can do, so it's not worth the hassle. Okay, so that's the mechanisms. I wanted to briefly talk about this. So I'll just look at sine, and then you can kind of do cos yourself. So if y equals sine x, I take the first derivative and I get cos x. I take the second derivative and I get minus sine x. Turns out that if I do this, I get the second derivative is minus cos x. So these derivatives kind of cycle through each other. If I did the fourth derivative, which I can annotate like that, I'd go back to sine. If I did the sixth, I'd get back to negative sine. And this is just something that's worth knowing as much as anything. And you could even say that, for example, if y is sine ax, then because you're using the chain rule twice, the second derivative is negative a squared of sine ax. Okay, again, that's just something worth knowing. It does come up on occasion, but it's just a nice thing to know and can be helpful at times as a check. Okay, so here's the homework that you'll be doing in the lesson tomorrow.